All right. So one of the things, I know you like this post here. The DoorDash driver in SoCal made 22.53 an hour after expenses last weekend. What do
You
you
know,
think?
I'm trying to get a hold of this guy. I keep DMing him. He's, ghosting me. He's a construction worker. The work is not there, obviously. So he's doing a lot of DoorDash. He's posting quite a bit on Twitter, right? A lot of people are giving him a hard time saying, why are you doing DoorDash? You're a construction guy, but there's no work. So the guy is doing, at least he's doing something. And so, I'm going to keep trying to get this guy.
Mhm.
I'm persistent, so I'll get my guy. And I want to do like a behind the wheel. I want to, tell his story of why he's doing DoorDash, but construction is very slow. He's saying the bad thing is, so the other thing is, Chris, any of you are using the Solo app, please send me your screenshots because Solo sends you your leaderboard in your city, like where you rank, what
Mhm.
you're doing, how much you're earning, what's the average in your city, are you above it, are you below it? So it's like a good parameter for you to do better, right? If you're not doing your city's average, you got to up your game, and that's why Solo is good for. So besides many other things, tax, well, not exactly tax advice, but keeps track of all your expenses, keep tracks of your miles. Week by week, it'll tell you what your true deductions are. I mean, look, Solo, I like the Solo app. I like Bryce. I think his team and Solo are doing really good things. So
Yep.
if you guys do have stuff like this, please send it to me, Sergio at the rideshareguy.com.
Yeah, it's nice because it's like your own little personal assistant when it comes to
Yeah.
managing your rideshare or just gig in general because it does more than just rideshare. So it's nice. And then it's real, if you're a newer driver, it's really nice because it helps you understand your market much better, quicker
Yeah.
than, like you and I who had to take some time and really look at it and figure it out.
Yeah.
You'll be able to, do the 3 Ps much better, plan, position, and patience when it comes to where you need to be, when you need to be, and those types of things. So it's definitely great for that. And then, yeah, all the tracking in that, a lot of it's automatic. A lot of it is done. Um, you just kind of adjust a couple of things here and there. And
Yep.
it's great because you can have that. But the one thing that we want to know is,
And, and the
first of all,
guarantee.
and the guarantee, yeah. That's pretty cool. I don't have that, but a lot of
I have
cities
it.
do.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, you're in LA, so that's one thing. But
Well,
either way, one of the things that is nice though, you can say, hey, yeah, he made 22.53 an hour, but how did he compare to the other people in his market? He might be happy with that. But what if the average was $25 an hour? What if the average was only $12 an hour? I mean, there's a big difference there. So you can
yep.
actually see where you stack up compared
Yep.
to the other drivers that are in your area. So, yes, make sure you send your screenshots to Sergio where you stack in your city. We want to know. We're going to do something with that. We can't tell what yet, but send us the screenshots and we'll be able to see where you rank and yeah, all that good stuff. And if you don't have the Solo app, make sure you download it. Link is going to be in the description below. You can download that and check it out today.
Definitely.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.